Blizzard Calvin, February 23rd, 2026. 50-mile-an-hour winds, blowing drifting snow. I'm not gonna open up the door. Look how the snow is just up the sidewalk. I mean, that's almost up the door. Like, that's just crazy story inside. Like, that's ridiculous. I'm so ready for summer. I'm so ready for it. After this bullshit, I'm ready for summer. Look at the snow's all up the wheel of that car. My grandma's car is buried. The little Escort back there. My grandma's car is buried too. Wow. Alright, bye bye guys. Comment, like, subscribe. Stay safe.